Presenting the 2004 Chevrolet LS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power steering, rear defrost, split bench seat, leather steering wheel, floor mats, power mirror, and chrome wheels. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.